OnePlus wants to embody 10 years of high-end and elegant design in this product. OnePlus 12 uses the same metal with high-end watch. It's the first time to use the more complicated watchmaking process, engraving 10 years of design deposits on the timescale, meticulously designing every detail of the lenses. To pursue the high-end and elegance, we broke new ground by choosing a precision laboratory used for making upscale wristwatches, in the hope of delivering a design that inherits a century of quality. OnePlus 12, inheriting a century of high-end and elegance.